The new Mercedes S represents the highest category of luxury and comfort, but what about its appearance? In the last 15 years, the appearance of the Mercedes S has hardly changed at all, which is too conservative for my taste. However, with some modifications, the original style can be maintained while making it eye-catching. For the first version, I only touched the front of the car. I made the grille slightly smaller, moved it forward by a few centimeters, and brought it minimally closer to the ground. I got the basic idea for this from the Mercedes GT Coupe, but despite the changes, I retained the distinctive shape of the Mercedes S grille. The lower bumper is merely an evolved version of the Mercedes GT Coupe, but I kept the Mercedes S light arc and slightly elongated it. I particularly like the resulting arc. The two fins on the hood have also become more pronounced. The end result is a much more authoritative form than the GT four-door coupe, and sportier and more futuristic than the new Mercedes S. I created the next version with a similar design, but I made it a bit sportier. The grille became wider, the air intake larger, and it received a side vent similar to those on Ferraris. The front bumper also got a black extension, and the side skirts became bigger and black. Overall, this is also a very good design. I could imagine the next version in Dubai. I wanted to try out how a Bugatti-style rear decorative arch would look. The hood also got an air intake, and the front bumper got a small side wing. I think it turned out not bad at all. I tried to make this version more futuristic. I didn't want to make any drastic changes to the shape. I wanted to make it sportier and more elegant. I slightly reduced the grille's protrusion and gave the headlight a new shape. The front bumper also received a forward extending wing and a black decorative element on the side. The last version became a bit wilder and sportier than the others. The hood received a huge air intake and the black side skirts became taller. This one is less reminiscent of a Mercedes S-Class. In addition to these, I made a few more, but they became so sporty that they could hardly fit into the Mercedes S-Class design style. Maybe it's time for a sportier Mercedes S model, like the Mercedes SX, for example. With this perfect design, I'm saying goodbye. Write in the comments which one you like the most. Thank you so much for watching today's adventure in AI-generated art. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing creations. See you in the next episode of Auto Imagination.